Hi everyone! If you have been using the Qwen app and wondering on how to turn on notifications on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notification in the Qwen app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Settings app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, scroll down and find the options which is Apps. Now tap on it. Then again scroll down and find the Qwen app. Just like this. Now tap onto the Qwen app. Now here's the thing, the Qwen app does not have the notification option. That means that you cannot turn on or turn off the notifications on it. So to see the notification that you have got, you have to simply click onto the Qwen app and watch it. And that's it. This is how you can see the notification in the Qwen app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.